How many 2's do you have in 1? Just none. How many 2's do you have in 12? 6. Okay. How many 2's do you have in 10? 500. Of course, that's what it left. That's what it came to. 2 can still go because it's still an even number. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 0 is 0. 2 in 6 is 3. 2 in 500 is 250. I will just stop there, but I'm probably doubting if that's supposed to be the end of it, because it might still have some factors, but we'll come to all of that later. And of course, you can go ahead and simplify as much as you can, otherwise just leave it there. As long as it's a proper fraction, everyone is going to be happy with you. So the next thing I want to do is for us to look at how to how to compare numbers. Remember, we talked about the number line and we said it was basically for comparing numbers and seeing which is bigger than which ones. But how do you compare decimals? How do you compare fractions? How do you compare big numbers like 5,241, 2,522,000, stuff like that? How do you compare them? So we come to the topic called place value. And this simply says that every place in a number has a value. So think of a number as being it's a room in a set of rooms, and the bigger the number, the more the cells, and you've got the negative part, the decimal point, and then it starts again, it goes and never ends. Okay, so where is the least value starting from, and where is the highest value in a place? This is the least value. This has got the least value, and this has got the highest value. So this place on the left hand side in a number has got the highest value, while the other place has got the lowest value. And what does that mean really? What that means for us is that if I have a number like 32149022342, and there's a decimal point here, okay? In fact, even if there is no decimal point, as long as it's on the right hand side, it has got the least value. So this has got the least value, and these three here has got the highest value. Now, if you want to compare numbers, you have to arrange them in the same number of places and then check out whose highest value is higher than the other person's. So, quick discussion on that, and that would be the end of place values. Arrange these numbers in order of magnitude from lowest to highest. Okay, now what are the numbers? A, 5203 2134 62 109. Okay, from the lowest to the smallest, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to write them properly with their place obvious to me. So I'm going to write exactly where they should fall. This 2134 is 2134 directly underneath. 62 is on the, this is 62. I'm going to add one more, okay? I'm going to add 0.25. I know why I'm doing that. 0.25, okay? So we can have at least a decimal occurring as well. 62. And then what do you think I'm going to put here? 00, because it's got nothing. 109, 109. There's just a 0 there. 0.25, okay? So the only part above the decimal point is just a 0. So 0.25. Do you see where the 25 went? Because all this are 0.00, 0.00, 0.00, 0.00. And there is a big large number of zeros here.